Hello everyone, welcome back to my page again. And now we are here at Fresno Park View, Cagayan de Oro, Uptown. If you're searching for a family home that's spacious, beautiful, and ready for comfortable living, come with me and let's check this one out. This beautiful home sits on a 150 square meter lot area with a spacious layout perfect for the family. As you can see, naatay modern and elegant exterior. This house features four bedrooms perfect for your family, guests, or even a dedicated home office. And with three toilet and baths, very convenient, good especially for a bigger household. This one bedroom in ground floor, pwede siya powder room and maid's quarter. Naapod tay service area so you have extra space for laundry and other household activities. Other feature nga ganahan gyud ko is the spacious lanai, perfect for morning coffee, relaxing, entertaining guests, or family bonding. Now let's head upstairs. So if your dream home is something spacious, functional, and elegant, this could be the one you're waiting for. Pag-abot nato sa second floor, naatay three bedrooms so plenty of space good for the family. And for the upstairs bathroom, dako kaayo ang common toilet and bath. And the other bedrooms are also spacious and well designed, and each room comes with built-in cabinets. So you already have plenty of storage space without needing to add bulky furnitures. So overall, the second floor gives you that perfect combination of space, comfort, privacy, and functionality. And of course, let me show you the master's bedroom, one of the highlights of this beautiful home. Look at this room, spacious, elegant, and very comfortable, perfect good for the homeowners. And guess what? Napagid siya walk-in closet. And of course, dako pa gyud kaayo ang CR. Honestly, this is the kind of home nga once you see it personally, mas ma-appreciate gyud nimo ang beauty and spaciousness. If you want to see this beautiful home in the person, send me a message